Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA G2060 printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Canon G2060 printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Canon. Go to the first link or go to the second link. I am going to the second link, support PIXMA G2060. I open that link. You can open any link that you want. Here we find Canon official website. Here we find our printer name and the model number. Okay, Canon PIXMA G2060. After that, scroll down, and if Windows 11 is not selected, select Windows 11, click on the search. After that, scroll down, and here we find our printer name. Click on this link. Here we find G2020 or G2060 and the driver. Click on that link. It's redirect to another page. Click on the download, and our download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. After download complete, here we find our download is completed. Click on the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Okay, close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Right click on this setup file, click on show more options, click on extract files, click on OK. New folder extracted on our desktop. Double click on that folder, double click. Here we find driver, double click on driver, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install that drivers. There are two ways. First way is go to the setup file, double click on it and install it. But best way in Windows 11 is manually install. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. Here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device, and wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on add a new device manually. Close it. Here we find add a printer. Add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, and click at here and go to the USB. Go to the any USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB port, click on the next, click on have a disk, go to the browse, go to the desktop, double click on our newly extracted folder, double click on the folder, go to the drive, select any file that you want. I select first. You can select any file from this all list. Click on open, click on OK. Here we find two options. First is the 2020. Go to the second option, Canon G2060. This is our printer. Select that second printer, click on the next. Here give any name that you like. I give Canon G2060 and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It's take few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share in the network, then last option I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print the printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon G2060, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.